National Concrete Solutions Proprietary Limited recently won the ACRA Award in the category of industrial structures for their project of Wilma Sugar Stack 11 refurbishment, Victoria Mill Road, Victoria Plantaion, Queensland, Australia. NCS were awarded the contract to rehabilitate the 66-metre high concrete boiler stack at the Victoria Mill, Queensland. Acting as principal contractor, NCS spent 5 months treating the internal and external surfaces of the stack to extend the service life. After laser mapping of the stack, a 3D model was produced and a scaffold system designed and erected to allow safe access to the external surfaces of the stack. Internal access was via a purposely designed swing stage system which allowed NCS technicians safe access to the internal surfaces of the stack. The internal stack surface was completely relined with a specialist repair mortar system. The external surface was also treated with a specialist product, and the overall result was a system which allowed the stack to operate for a further 20 years. Other ACRA members involved in this project were Zypex Australia and Parkham Construction Supplies.